Hey, what's up, guys? It's Cliff with Pink Flamingo Power Wash. I'm back with a brand new video for you guys. Today, we're going to be working in Brooksville, Florida. We're going to be doing a big motorsports dealership. They sell Harley Davidsons and all kinds of bikes over there. Me and my boy Harold going to be tag teaming this job together. It's about 10,000 square feet of concrete and also two buildings on the property. We're going to be soft washing the shingle roofs. It's going to be a nice ticket for both of us. You know, a lot of work. He has a 10 GPM. I have an 8, so we should make quick work of the, you know what I'm saying, the little project that we got. If you guys haven't yet, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like, comment, I'm saying, leave any questions you got. You guys know I answer all my questions, so drop them comments below. This is the easiest way to ask your questions. Also, somebody else may have the same question that you have, you know what I'm saying, that needs an answer. So go ahead and ask them here. The floor is open to you guys. You know, ask whatever you want. Subscribe to the channel, hit that bell for those notifications. Y'all stay tuned. We're gonna pull up to the job and show you guys what we got going on. Let's go. All right, you guys, we're all finished right here with these roofs. We're gonna jump on the concrete and knock that out. I'm gonna start from over here. I'm gonna let Harold start towards the gate because he has a bigger buffer tank and he's running a 10 GPM. So I'm gonna let him work up there. I'm gonna work down here because I have to be connected to the water spigot because I got a smaller tank. So I'm gonna start that now while he finish up the roof. This is Harold's rig, 275 IBC tote for the water tank. He got his chemical tank right here, surfactant tank right here. He got the electric hose reels. Maybe one day I'm big enough to get one of those. He got a big boy IGX 800 10 GPM pressure washer. Planning on getting one of those soon. Got his soft wash box, gas tank, and he runs the 28-inch big guy surface cleaner with it. So we're gonna be eating some concrete soon. This is about 10,000 square feet of concrete.
Alright guys, so everything is rinsed up from what I cleaned. I pretty much cleaned all this area here up to the back of the van. This area right here. It's the low side, water sits there. I mean, there's nothing you can really do about that. You know, you can rinse it as much as you can. You know, let it dry up, you know, try to do it again. But for the most part, this is cleaned up. I'm gonna go ahead and knock out this little piece right here. And I'm gonna put the camera on Harold. Guys, the project is coming along pretty well. Pretty much all this right here is cleaned up. I'm pretty much all done with that side. We have to clean this half of the loop, go around this way. I'm over there. He's meeting me around the corner. He got a 28-inch big guy, but you see that there's a lot of stripes. We didn't do no pre-treating on this because commercial work, you know, you're gonna use a lot of SH, so we're gonna post-treat this instead of pre-treating, so all the lines will be gone when we leave. We're gonna post-treat it with a 5%, maybe a 6%, to take away the lines. We're working in sections. This is a big job, so you don't want the dirt to dry back down. So therefore, I'm breaking it down in sections. I'm not sure why he has a 10 GPM, but in a 28. But it seems like he has more lines than I do. I mean, I got some too, but he has more lines, and it seems like it's awkward to turn that big guy. I never wanted one of those because that big wheel in the front is like, it's real awkward to use. Like he has to stop to turn it around and everything. So it looks like I'm moving pretty fast, man. I mean, I pretty much cleaned everything back here, all around the building, all the way up here, halfway to here. Only thing that's left really is the section he's doing and this little piece right here. I might as well go and knock that out. got done post treating the concrete. Sorry about my voice, y'all. I had a game last night. We're filming this on a Sunday, so I play Saturday nights. Season just started, so I'm a linebacker, so I yell a lot. So he post treated up to here. You can see the concrete is clean, but he has lines. And we both had lines, you know, we didn't pre-treat, so it is what it is. But we're gonna take care of these lines down there. Everything here is post treated, that's why it's kind of wet. I'm gonna pull the van up and he'll do the post treatment at the front. The roof came out splotchy, so we're gonna treat it one more time, make sure everything dies. Look like it's cleaning up, but there's some spots that were kind of brownish looking. Man, I move fast with my 20-inch surface clean with that 8 GPM. He has a 10 and a 28. I clean more concrete than him. He basically cleaned from the gate, almost, well, a little bit past the gate by that tree over there, down here to this area, up to where the surface cleaner is right here. I clean from this junction right there, all the way around, all the concrete back there, all the concrete around the building. The front area, all that. So I don't know if you guys can see that spot on that roof right here on the edge, how it's not the same as these. Even some over here, some black algae still left over. He had ran out of SH earlier, so we're using my 12-volt system now. This is the back concrete. Everything here is good, no lines, post treated. Same thing with those sidewalks over there. I'm all wrapped up. I'm gonna go up to the front so we can just post treat the last little piece of concrete, and we'll be wrapping this up. This area doesn't drain. That's where all the runoff goes, so it is what it is. Everything else is clear. It's hot today. Whoa! All done, man. 2:15. We started like right around 9 o'clock because my boy Harold had a little issue with his pump. We had to jump it with my van, charge his battery up. He ran out of SH. We had to use my SH and my soft wash system to finish the job. But everything came out good, as you guys saw. So I'm going to do an estimate now, and I'm done for the day. I'm so tired right now. Hungry, I'm thirsty. Man, long day, man. I hope y'all enjoyed the content. Make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'm gonna catch y'all in the next one. Peace.